Hello friends, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Canon PIXMA G570 printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, we check our machine PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. In a properties, we find main option, scroll down and find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. Go to any web browser that you like. I'm going to the Google Chrome. In a search type Canon G570 driver download and hit enter key on our keyboard. First link is from the Canon. Go to the first link or go to the support. I go to the support, then our printer name. I open that link. Canon official website is open. Here we find our printer driver. Scroll down. Here we find our operating system. If your operating system is not right or bit is not right, then click it here and select Windows 10 if bit is 32-bit. For 32-bit, go to the Windows 10, and for 64-bit, go to the Windows 10 64-bit. Click it here, click on the search. After that, scroll down. Here we find G570 printer driver. Click on that. It's redirected to the another page. Click on the download. And download is started at the top. Wait for a few seconds. Here we find our download is completed. Click on show in a folder or the downloads. Click on show in folder, minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here we find our setup file, and this setup file is actually a zip file, and we are going to unzip this zip file. That is very easy. Right click on this setup file, click on the extract files, click on OK. Newly extracted folder. Here we find newly extracted folder, double click on it. Here we find another folder, double click on it. Here we find driver, double click on it, and here we find our drivers. Close it. Next step is install these drivers. There are two ways to install it. First way is go to this setup file, double click on it and install it. But best way is go to the start and install it by the manual way. Go to the start and type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner, go to the top, add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner. Wait for a few seconds and new option is pop up. The printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that. Close it. Here we find add a printer. In add a printer, go to the last option. Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select last option. Click on the next. Existing port is the most IMP part in this installation. Click at here and select any USB port that you find. USB 001, USB 002, 003, 004. Select any USB port that you find. Click on the next. Here we find have a disk. Click on have a disk. Go to the browse. Go to the desktop. Here we find newly extracted folder. Double click on it. Double click on this folder. Double click on the driver. Open driver. Double click on it. Here we find some files. Select any file that you want. I select first. You can select any file. Click on open. Click on OK. Here we find Canon G500 series. In this series printer, include many printers and also include our printer Canon PIXMA G570. So select that driver and click on the next. Give any name that you like. I give 570 Canon G570. You can give any name. Click on the next. It's installing our printer and it's take few seconds. So be patient and wait for a few seconds. Our printer is now installed. If you want to share in the network, then select last option. I don't want to share in the network, so I select do not share this printer. Click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on print a test page or click on a finish. Next option is check our printer is properly working or not. Go to the start, type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printer list, if you find your printer name Canon G570, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.